Welcome and good afternoon. This video is your examples for your final iXL for this unit, U8. Solve a system of equations using substitution. All right, so starting off here, the first problem they gave us is an easy one. They already told us what one of our variables is. Y is 3. Okay, now we still have to find x though. So we're going to take what we know, y is equal to 3, and substitute it into our first equation so that we can solve for x. 4x plus 7 times 3 for y, because y is equal to 3, is equal to 13. 7 times 3 gets us 21. Bring everything else down. Now to get x by itself, we're going to go ahead and subtract 21 to the other side, which gets us negative 8 when we take 21 away from 13. And that is equal to 4x, so we're going to divide both sides by 4, which will get us x is equal to negative 2. And again, guys, just like I mentioned on the last iXL, you might want to do this with pencil paper because the scratch tool on iXL is really, really not the best. All right, this time they gave us x, so I'm going to go ahead and put in that we already know x is equal to negative 10, and then I'm going to go ahead and solve for y using our first equation. So 7 times negative 10, because x is negative 10, plus 5y is equal to negative 20. 7 times negative 10 is negative 70, plus 5y is equal to negative 20. Add 70 to both sides, which gets us 5y is equal to 50. Divided by 5 tells us y is equal to 10. All right, I skipped recording for a few questions because we were getting a lot of the same ones and I wanted to get some different examples here. Here we have both equations are solved for y. So what we can do is pick either equation and plug in the value that y is equal to in place of y, which basically means that we're going to get one equation where the parts that are not y are equal to each other. So 8x minus 7 is equal to 5x minus 1, because both sides equal y, so they're equal to each other. Subtract 5x, and that gets us 3x minus 7 is equal to negative 1 plus 7 gets us 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2. Once we know what x is, we can plug it into either equation, it doesn't matter which, to solve for y. I'm going to do the bottom one. So y is equal to 5 times 2 minus 1. 5 times 2 is 10, minus 1 is 9. So 2, 9. All right, and here's one last example. For this one, neither are solved, so we will have to solve one first. The top equation is going to be easier because the y is by itself already, so we can just subtract 4x over to the other side, which will get us y is equal to 13 minus 4x. And this is what we will substitute into the second equation. 13 minus 4x in place of y. So 7x minus 5, and then instead of y, put parentheses, 13 minus 4x equals negative 11. We distribute the negative 5, and we'll get 7x minus 65 plus 20x is equal to negative 11. Combine some like terms. 7x, 20x gets us 27x. I'm also going to add the 65 to the other side. Cancel it off. So that'll get us 54. Divide on both sides. And we get x is equal to 2. Plug that in up here, and we get 13 minus 8, which is 5. And the 8 comes from 4 times we just figured out x was 2. So we have 2 comma 5 for our answer. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to hop on the Zoom or shoot me an email. This is going to be due tomorrow night, Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. I do want you to make sure you have it done on time so that you will be fully prepared for your test on Thursday. We will be doing a review activity of some kind during class tomorrow. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And again, please let me know if you have any questions.